Nora, can I build the next tower? Okay, Lily. Look, Nora, my tower is taller than yours. It is leaning, Lily. Do not touch it again. Lily, you ruined the whole side. I am sorry, Nora. I was trying to fix my tower. Stop following me, Lily. Go somewhere else. Okay. I will leave you alone.
Nora, come and eat. Please bring Lily with you.
I thought Lily was already with you.
No. She was playing beside you. Excuse me. Did you see a little girl with 2 braids?
No.
Nora, look. This shell is shaped like a little heart. It is pretty. Put it beside our sandcastle.
Girls, stay where we can see you.
We will, Mom.
This looks like the perfect place for our family picnic.
Yes, but the beach is getting crowded. We must stay together.
Mom, can Lily and I finish our sandcastle first?
Yes. Just do not go near the deep water.
Nora, can I build the next tower? Okay, Lily, but make it carefully. I want this castle to look perfect. Look, Nora, my tower is taller than yours. It is leaning, Lily. Do not touch it again. Lily, you ruined the whole side. I am sorry, Nora. I was trying to fix my tower. You always make things harder when I am building something. I can help you build it again. No, I will do it myself. Can I play with you now? You just broke our castle. Please let me play alone. But I do not want to play by myself. Please, Nora. I just want to stay with you. Stop following me, Lily. Go somewhere else. Okay. I will leave you alone. Oh no! My bracelet is gone! Dad, my bracelet is gone.
Which bracelet?
The blue bracelet Lily made for me. I wore it this morning.
Check near the sandcastle. It may have fallen there.
I already looked there. Maybe a wave carried it away.
We will help you search after lunch.
That bracelet was special to me. I can find it for her.
Nora, come and eat. Please bring Lily with you.
I thought Lily was already with you.
No. She was playing beside you.
When did you last see her?
She was near the sandcastle a few minutes ago.
Did she tell you where she was going?
No. She did not tell me anything.
She cannot be far. Let us check the play area first.
Lily,
Lily!
where are you?
Lily, please answer us.
She is not here.
Maybe she went to the food stand.
I will check there. Stay together.
Think carefully. Was Lily upset about something?
She was quiet, but I do not know why.
Did you two argue?
We were only playing.
She is not at the food stand or the restrooms.
We need a lifeguard now.
Wait. That looks like Lily's ribbon.
It is hers. Where did you find it?
Beside these footprints.
David, the footprints stop near the wet sand.
Do not assume anything. We will ask the lifeguards for help.
She knows she must never go near the water alone.
Maybe she forgot.
Are you looking for a child? Yes. Our daughter Lily is 8 years old.
She has light brown braids and pink ribbons. She was carrying a small yellow bucket.
When and where did you last see her?
She was playing near our blanket.
We will check the water and alert the other stations. I will search near the shops. Sarah, stay with Nora.
I think I saw the girl with pink ribbons.
Where did you see her?
She was crying and looking under the beach chairs. Was she alone? Yes. She kept saying she needed to find something.
All stations are checking their areas. We need to search in separate directions. I will check the shops and the main exit.
Nora and I will follow the chairs where Lily was seen.
What if she left the beach?
We will find her. Right now, we must think clearly. Excuse me, did you see a little girl with 2 braids?
No.
I saw a girl walking toward the lifeguard station. Was she carrying a yellow bucket? I am sorry. I did not notice.
A girl asked me about a missing blue bracelet earlier.
A blue bracelet?
Yes. She said it belonged to her sister.
Why would Lily be searching for your bracelet?
She heard me say it was missing.
Did Lily offer to look for it?
Not to me.
I told her to check the lost and found desk.
Where is that desk?
Near the main exit. I will call them now. Someone saw a girl with pink ribbons near the exit.
Lily may have gone to Lost and Found.
There she is. Lily.
That is not her. Then where is our daughter?
Did an 8-year-old girl come here looking for a bracelet?
Yes. She came here alone about 20 minutes ago. Where did she go afterward? We did not have the bracelet, so she walked back toward the beach.
Why did nobody stop her?
I called after her, but she disappeared into the crowd. Nora, there is something you are not telling us.
I told you everything I knew.
Lily was upset, searching alone, and trying to help you.
This is not about punishment. We need the complete truth. A cleaner found a blue bracelet near the northern walkway.
That must be mine.
He gave it to a young girl carrying a yellow bucket.
Then Lily found the bracelet. Why did she not return?
She may have taken the northern walkway instead of the family area path. That walkway leads toward the old beach cafe.
A child was seen near the parking exit, but the description is unclear.
We should check the exit before she reaches the road.
The child who passed here was wearing a green hat. She was not Lily.
We have lost more time. This happened because of me.
Nora, tell us exactly what happened.
Lily broke part of our sandcastle, and I became angry.
What did you say to her?
I told Lily to stop following me and go somewhere else.
Why did you hide that from us?
I thought you would blame me for losing her.
Hiding the truth sent us in the wrong direction. I am sorry. I should have told you immediately.
Where was Lily standing when you last spoke to her?
She was beside the blue flag, near our broken sandcastle.
That changes her likely path. She probably followed this path while searching for the bracelet.
Then she went to Lost and Found and came back this way.
The cleaner found her near the northern walkway.
If she tried returning from there, she may have chosen the wrong path.
Please let me help. I know what Lily notices when she feels scared.
Stay beside us and tell us anything useful. Does this bucket belong to the missing girl?
Yes.
Where did you find it?
Near the old cafe. The girl dropped it when a strong wave reached the path.
Did she have my bracelet?
Yes. I found it and gave it to her. Which direction did she take? She walked toward the cafe, but I thought her family was there. The cafe is closed. There should be nobody inside.
Lily! Can you hear me?
I will check behind the building. I will check the storage walkway.
Mom, look. These footprints are small.
They lead behind that closed gate.
Lily! It is Nora! Please answer me. Wait. I heard 3 taps.
It may only be something moving in the wind. No! Listen carefully. Someone is tapping from behind that gate.
Lily, tap again if you can hear us.
She is there. Lily is behind the gate.
Stay calm, Lily. We are opening the gate.
Please hurry. I am here now, Lily. I will not leave you.
Oh, Sweaty, I found you. Are you okay?
I tried to come back, but every path looked different. Then the open gate closed behind me.
Are you hurt anywhere?
No. I am only tired and scared. I am so sorry, Lily. I found your bracelet. I wanted you to be happy again. You mattered more than the bracelet. I should never have sent you away. I thought you would like me again if I found it.
I never stopped loving you. I was angry, and I said something cruel.
Why did it take so long to find me?
I hid what I said because I was afraid Mom and Dad would blame me. My lie sent everyone in the wrong direction. I am sorry.
I should have told Mom or Dad before I went looking.
Yes, but you did not deserve Nora's hurtful words.
And keeping both of you safe is our responsibility, not only Nora's.
We should have chosen a meeting point as soon as we arrived.
I tried to ask for help, but I forgot our family phone number.
We will practice it together when we get home.
I am sorry I made you feel unwanted. I only wanted to spend time with you. You can play with me. I will also ask kindly when I need space. And I will listen without following you everywhere. I will keep this because you made it with love. Do you still want to finish our sandcastle? Yes, but this time we will build it together.
If anyone gets separated again, we will meet beside that red flag.
And if you cannot reach it, ask a uniformed lifeguard for help.
I understand. I will never leave without telling you again. And I will never hide the truth when someone may be in danger. Can I follow you back to our sandcastle? You do not have to follow me. We can walk there together.